Hey guys, I'm Dean Wake, Transportation Director for Ozark School District. Today I want to talk to you guys about riding the bus this year. We've got some new things that we're working through to keep our students safe, and we just kind of want to run through those real quick, and we're looking forward to seeing you guys all back. We'll just start out here at the bus stop. If you guys are waiting at the bus stop, we encourage you guys to stay in your family groups if you're at a stop that multiple other students are at, or wear a mask if you can't social distance. Just some things to keep us safe at the bus stop. Alright guys, so now as we get on the bus, we'll be required to have our masks on. If we don't have one, the driver will have plenty here available for you if you weren't already masked at your bus stop. We will also have hand sanitizer available for anybody who wants to use it as they get on or get on the bus. Drivers, they will also have their masks. And drivers are going to be required to have their masks on anytime they're interacting with students. That means when students are getting on the bus, when students are getting off the bus, or if the driver needs to get up and address any other student concerns on the bus, they will be masked at that time. Otherwise, when they're driving down the road, the drivers will have the option to pull their mask down to continue on the route to alleviate any hazards associated with the mask while driving. We are requiring masks whenever social distancing is not an option. However, there may be times on the bus when we can practice proper social distancing. Those times might include early on in the route or late in the route whenever the bus is less crowded, and the driver will let you know whenever that might be an option for you. Alright, so now that we're on the bus back here, guys, it's gonna look different. Everybody's gonna have an assigned seat, and we're gonna assign seats based on our family groups and stop locations as we get on the bus to minimize potential exposure if one so arise. Also on the bus, we're going to have our windows down as often and as much as possible to just keep some fresh air moving around the bus. So just remember, whenever we get on the bus, we'll go straight to our assigned seats, get with our seat partners, and have our masks on. Alright, now between routes, between groups of students, we're going to be disinfecting every bus completely, and we're going to do that with the same procedures, the same cleaners as they use in the classrooms every day. We've got our cleaners that we'll set up, so after a driver finishes their route, they'll pull over, and we're going to go through our buses, and we're going to spray them all down with this cleaner. We'll spray all our seats, everything everywhere. Let it set, and then we're going to let it set for 3 minutes. That's the dwell time that it takes for the cleaner to work. After it's set for 3 minutes, we're going to take our towels and we're going to go through and we're going to dry all of our seats completely, so that way they're dry and ready for the next group of students to come on board. Hey look guys, I believe Ozark has the best drivers and aides around, and we're always making safety our #1 priority to ensure your students have a safe ride to and from school. We hope you guys had a wonderful summer, and we look forward to a great school year.